In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Genshin Impact Apple ID. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you play Genshin Impact using an Apple ID or the Game Center and you want to make sure that your progress is synchronized to a HioVerse account so you can play on other platforms, follow the instructions on this video and you will be able to safely and properly connect it to a HioVerse account. This will have to be done inside of the game, so open Genshin Impact on your iOS device and access these settings inside when you choose to play. So on the Paimon phone, go into the settings and you will find the account category, choose account and then user center. This is where you will be able to manage all of the connections that have been established with your HioVerse account. So assuming that you are using an Apple ID or the Game Center account, it is going to be displayed here. And if you have never attributed one of these two accounts to a HioVerse account, the option to link will be available. So all that you have to do now is choose link. This will save the progress of one of these two accounts into the HioVerse account, and then you can use the HioVerse account on other platforms and all of your progress will be available there. When you choose the option link, you can now input the email address or username of your account. If you are using an email, you input it here, you choose the option to send the code, the verification code will be sent to the email address, and after that is done, you simply input it here. Create a password if needed, and once this is done, the account will be linked. You will see the link established here, so your HioVerse account is going to appear, and if you scroll down, you can see all of the platforms that have been attributed to it. Now, the Apple ID or the Game Center account should have been linked as well. If you go over to any other platform and you use the same HioVerse account, the progress will now be saved. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Genshin Impact Apple ID. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.